The number one reason why you still have lower back pain to this day, and it's not because your body is broken. In fact, your body has a tremendous capacity to heal. Instead, the reason why you still have lower back pain is because you're afraid to move. Now, I know this personally because many years ago I had lower back pain. And the three things I wish I knew during that time was number one, we have to change our perception of the pain. We have to change the way that we view our pain. I made the mistake of, in the beginning, having clients start what I called a pain journal. So they would just every day log in their pain, the level of their pain, where they felt it. And what I didn't realize is that studies show the more that we focus on our pain and the areas that we hurt, the more likely that pain is going to increase. Instead, what I would do now is I would focus on areas that feel really good. I would focus on thoughts of healing, positive thinking, instead of always thinking, oh my gosh, my body's hurting so much today. My lower back is never going to get better. That's only going to strengthen the pain and going to reinforce that. So instead, what we want to do is we want to think more positive thoughts. I know that's not always easy, but it could be one of the most powerful practices that you can put into place. I recommend every day just take a time to do a light body scan. Notice in the areas that feel really good for you. You can also start to visualize yourself. Think about a life where you don't have this lower back pain. What are you doing? What are some hobbies that you're taking up? What kind of sports are you getting back into? And trying to really paint a clear picture of what that looks like. And now you're focusing, you're telling your brain what you want to get out of your exercise program if you're getting back into one. Number two, I would make sure that I'm breathing properly. Like many people who are stressed, we tend to breathe through our neck and through our shoulders, and that only reinforces the tightness that our body experiences. It makes our nervous system unable to calm and relax. And when our nervous system isn't calm, then our entire body feels that and we become very tight. And even though we can stretch our low back all day, we're not likely to get it to relax, and it's going to stay very tense. So I recommend a great exercise to do is get into a breathing practice. I like doing things such as box breathing, where you can breathe in for 4 seconds, you hold the breath in for 4 seconds, and then you release and or exhale for 4 seconds. And after that exhale, you would hold that out for 4 seconds. And you would just repeat this, trying to breathe into your lower ribs, into your diaphragm. And what that's going to do is that's going to create more movement. It's going to create a pumping effect in the lower back that helps improve circulation and helps relaxes the muscle around the lower back. So breathing is 100% something that I would look at. The last thing that I would recommend is you do exercises that you're able to do. Movement is healing, but you got to find the appropriate exercise for you. For some clients, they find that starting a walking routine is helpful. Other clients take up things such as Tai Chi, Qigong, yoga if it's low back friendly for them. There are all different kinds of low back reasons for lower back pain, but you will find that there are exercises that you can do. And the more that we practice exercise, again, that's going to create better motion around that lower back. And so if you're afraid of moving your lower back because you continue to experience pain, I invite you to try different exercises and remember that pain doesn't always equal injury. So you want to find things that in the beginning, it might feel tough, it might feel very tense in the beginning, but the more that you practice, see if that starts to help your lower back. So those are the three things that I would focus on, and that's the real reason why you tend to have lower back pain to this day. But remember, you can always improve your situation.